Google isn't just compete with ChatGPT or any other AI organization secretly building the entire AI stack. While everyone was talking about ChatGPT versus Gemini, Google was building a complete system and a complete new infrastructure which was based on AI, and Google called it AI workflow. They were building infrastructure, an entire AI workflow, and make you stay irreplaceable. Hi there, this is Ajay Kumar, this is ThriveWing, where we build complete strategic edge. Like I was mentioning about Google, how they were secretly and quietly building complete AI workflow. It all begins with Google's AI Studio, where all of their advanced models live. Text, images, audio and video models like Nano Banana, Imagen, and much more all live in one place. This isn't just a consumer tool, it's a builder's playground. Then comes NotebookLM. Upload PDF, research paper, YouTube videos, and articles. Then it's gonna summarize them, it's gonna make them ready or convert them into mind maps and even podcast style explanations. It organizes knowledge and turns chaos into clarity. Next comes Gemini Gems, where you can create your own custom agents. You just need to upload the reference material, instructions, and the behavior that you would like to, and hits your deployment ready new agent. Now you don't just use AI, you have specialized agent for marketing, writing, research, or any other specific industry. For visual creation, Google offers Imagen 3 for hyper-realistic images. You can also use Nano Banana for editing the images or recreating them, creating the sketch kind of image out of them, and much more. There you can either use flexible, fast, or pro version of it. You can also use Google Whisk for blending multiple visuals for cohesive compositions. Then comes Lumiere, text to video generation focused for smooth natural motion. AI doesn't just create static images now, it animates them. Finally, Opal, which helps you to create AI apps with no code. You can create your workflows, you can automate certain tasks, and you can do much more with the help of this. Internal workflows, automation tools, and customer support systems. This is where AI becomes operational. Now let's concatenate all of them into one, where Google AI Studio gives you access, NotebookLM organizes knowledge, Gemini Gem specializes tasks, Imagen, Nano Banana, and Whisk help you to create images, Lumiere produces videos, and Opal deploys systems. This isn't just AI tool, it's a full stack AI operating system. The companies that win this decade just don't use AI tools. They build an entire AI workflow. The real question isn't which AI chatbot is better. The real question is, are you just chatting with AI or building a system with it? This is Ajay Kumar, this is ThriveWing, and if you are over here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay tuned for more. Build your strategic edge, stay irreplaceable. I'll see you in our next video.